Welcome, today in front of me TCL 205 and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So to do that, we should open the settings application, and after that let's scroll down to the system section, then click here to advanced, and when developer options, when they are activated, you'll see here there is developer options section. Just click here once, and now just to hide all of these options we should click here only once on this switcher. So let's tap here, and now we can see that all of the options they are blocked. And while we'll go back to the system section, we can see that the developer options section automatically turned off, so it's gone. So that's it. That's how to hide developer options on our TCL device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.